Hi everybody, my name is Bob Battalini. I started with Wendella about 7 years ago already. I'm born and raised in Chicago, and I've always had an interest in our city, its history and its architecture also. So after I retired from the real world, this has been sort of a dream job to me, the ability to take guests of our city, show them this beautiful city, and talk about the city that I really love. So it's a great job for me.
Tall. And they're all going to be right here on the river. And as we make our turn, there's another one going up ahead, right? That will be known as River Point.
Today, we leave from the historic Michigan Avenue Bridge, now the DeSalvo Bridge in front of Wrigley Building, but also our boats leave from behind us here at Trump Tower. So thousands and thousands of tourists, we display our beautiful city each day. Wendella is a family-owned company that began way back in 1935. And they proudly advertise that they've been a part of the city for all that time. And Wendella is part of the first two, certainly, and giving these tours ever since. Very proud of that. As a tour guide in Chicago, the young people are going to enjoy this beautiful day, but I want them to appreciate this beautiful city we live in. People visit Chicago, sometimes preconditioned impression of our city from movies and literature for over the many years. Chicago has a lot to offer. I do not talk about gangster history. I can do a little spiel on that, but certainly that is Chicago so much more. And as a lifelong Chicagoan, I want to share my love for the city and how much there is to enjoy in this beautiful city of ours. We came through the Harbor Lock. The Harbor Lock has one purpose in Chicago. It controls the amount of water allowed to flow from Lake Michigan to the river. Now it's possible to get wet up front here on a day like today, so if I move suddenly, it's because I don't have a change of clothes this morning, okay? Well, I can't emphasize enough, coming to work in a job like this, I'm excited every morning. I look out and the sun is shining and I get to share the beautiful city I've grown up in with all the guests from all over the world. How special is that? For me, it's perfect.